Hey guys, so I'm super excited because today I got a package and that package is Nikkie Tutorials Beauty Day. No, it's backwards because my camera is on selfie mode, but whatever, you get it. Nikkie Tutorials! My palette is here. I'm super excited. So I'm gonna just open it with everybody and swatch it and see how I feel about the colors. I haven't decided yet if I'm gonna actually put makeup on. Probably not, feeling a little bit lazy, but I was super excited to open my box. So I'm gonna do it with everybody. Ooh. And I got a pop socket. I forgot about the pop socket since I was on the wait list. My pop socket looks like that, and it's Nikkie giving the middle finger. Okay, so this is good. Feels all nice and plushy. Alright, digging this box off my table. I'm so excited, y'all don't even know. Okay, so she said in her video, like for unveiling, that it was gonna come with one of these little cards. It's a little card that tells you what colors are good to apply with either a brush or your finger. So this is cute and I really like it because I always hate it when like I'm putting a color on and then with my brush and then I'm like, shoot, I should have just used my finger for this. So this is super useful. It's simple, but I like it. These colors are huge, y'all. Like, they're really large squares, bigger than I was expecting. That's nice. It'll probably take a while before I hit pan my knees. Okay, so the moment I've all been waiting for. I'm gonna just dig my finger into Redemption. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's very like orange. It seems like it's definitely a color that if I wore it, I would have to apply like really heavily, because just rubbing it into my arm, it's like, it's not very compact. Like, I don't know how to describe it. It's gonna need a whole lot to make it show up evenly because it's a little bit patchy. But next color, makeup wipe right now. Wipe these colors off my finger. Got, the next color is Blend and Snap. Ooh, it's a very bright pink. I like. I like that. Ivy. Ooh, that's like a very like pearly white. It's super, oh, it's smooth too. And then when you put it on, it's like almost translucent on my skin anyway. And so what shows up is like the really awesome shimmer that like catches the light. I wonder if I would do better with turning my ring light off. Let's see. Is that? Nope. Turn it down a little bit though. Okay, so that one is shimmery and super bright. I love it. Let's see, next color is Slasher, which is like this kind of eggplant purple color. Oh, it's very dark on my finger, so let's see. Okay, it's like a wine. It definitely blends out nicely. I can tell. But it's like a wine eggplanty type purple. 5 a.m. is the next color, which is like a brown. I'm just trying to make sure my finger is dry. It's like a brown, so let's see. It looks dark here, but I don't think it's that pigmented once you put it on. Yeah. This is a really good crease color. It's like a nice transition shade. So that's nice. I always love having more transition shade options. And it's actually darker than I thought it would be looking at it in the palette. Next color is Roxy Catan. It's like this super pretty shimmery pink. Ooh. Oh, I like that. Look at it. It's super shimmery. That's a fun color. Okay, I'm gonna wipe my arm. And start fresh. I'm gonna make sure I dry it. I've never done an unboxing video, if you can't tell. So bear with me, y'all. Okay, next color is Vla, which I can't remember what she said that means. I think it just means yellow in Dutch, and it's yellow. It's like a pale yellow. Ooh. If you use that, you'll definitely have to pack that color in for sure. Let's see. Yeah, it shows up almost kind of chalky, but seems like it would be a fun color to play around with if I wanted to do some yellow looks. The next one is Mikai, which I thought this was awesome. She put a red in for her brother that passed away, so that's amazing. I was excited to see what this looks like because you don't really see a lot of like flat red in palettes. And man, that is pigmented. That really shows up. Like, I put more on my finger than I needed for sure. That really comes through. Let's see. Next color is Mila, which is another brown, but just like a lighter one. It's kind of like a sand, not sand, it's darker than sand, but it's like a tan. This one I would probably never use. It's too light of a color to be a transition shade for me. So, but who knows? I'm sure it'll get some use. Underground is the next color. And it's like a gold shimmer, but then when I put it on my finger, it looks like platinum. Let's see. Oh, I like that. Get it really good on there. That's very pretty. I like that. Yeah. Let's see. Next color is Plot Twist. Let's see what it looks like. It's a baby blue. It's very light. It looks chalky on me. But also, it's not like I have primer on my arm. So of course the colors are not gonna do what they're supposed to do because I'm doing this on my arm with zero primer. Let's see. But yeah, it's just like a baby blue, very light color. All right, we're wiping and we're starting again. I have to say, these shimmers are like doing it for me. And I liked the slasher color as well. Let's see. All right, get all nice and dry. My arm is gonna be so red after this, y'all. Okay. All right, next color is Aura. It's pink and shimmery, but more rose gold looking than that last pink. Let's see. Oh, girl. Oh, I like that. That might be my favorite so far, actually. Basic truth, which I know she said means basic bitch. And I hope I did that accent well. This is, it's like it's kind of a pale color, like just a very light pale color. Let's see. Next color is All In. That's a gold shimmer. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, looking at it on my finger, I'm seeing like a lot of different colors. I'm seeing gold, purple, pink, all kinds of colors. Okay, and then I put it on and it's definitely gold based, but it's got like every color glitter in there. So you catch all the different lights, which is really hard to see in this lighting for some reason, but this is a pretty color. It catches all the different colors. Like, this would be a nice lid color. I like it. Next is Ew, which honestly, was probably the one that I was looking most forward to, just because it's called Ew. Not even because I think I'm gonna use it a lot. Let's see. Okay, that's a good green actually. Huh. It's very green, but also kind of giving me, well, it shows up more green in person than I thought it would, because when she did it, I thought it was more of like a turquoise type green, but it's green. Yeah, it's not like wicked green, but it's green. It's definitely green. Pink Pride is next. Let's see. Oh, let's see. This is really pretty. I like that one. Okay, so far all the shimmer colors are my favorite, obvi. So let's see. Next is Zomer. I don't remember what that means. I'm gonna clean my arm first. I need to do makeup wipe. That one dried out. And now I have like eyeshadow all over my boobs. It's like green and pink going on. Okay. Next color is Zoma. This one looks peachy, but it's also a dry formula. I mean a matte one. And so I'm probably gonna have to do a little bit of thicker layer for this one. Okay. This, I would honestly probably use it as a base color for a shimmer. So I'll put it on first so that my shimmer has some pigment behind it. So it's not just, I'm not having to pack it on as much. But I will say her shimmer colors, like, don't seem like they really need to be packed a lot. Like, they show up. They really show up. Like, I'm usually having to do the opposite of what I think, where I can put a lighter layer of the shimmer and get it to show up really pigmented, and do a heavier layer of the like matte colors. And usually I have to really do it the opposite way and pack lots of pigmented shimmer shadows in to get it to show up as like a color, as opposed to just looking like I have glitter on my eyes. So that's nice. Next color is Mama Tutorials. Ooh, shimmery blue. I was looking forward to this one, y'all. Ooh, this is so pretty. It's so delicate and shimmery. I love. Okay, Amsterdam. This super, ooh, cobalt blue. Let's see. Ooh, when you put it on, it's got lots of purple hints to it. It's a dark, dark blue. It looks purple, of course. And then last one, how she said last but not least, for her bae, Mr. Tutorials. So let's see what this looks like on. Make sure my hand's dry. Oh, it's got some green in there. Oh, it's like a very pretty bronze. Oh, I like that. I can definitely see myself wearing this color a lot when I want to do like a very, like not, I'm wearing makeup. You know, like when I want to go to work and I don't feel like doing a full beat, but I want something that looks really nice, but also natural. That'll be my color for that. All in all, I really love this palette and I'm super excited to play in it. Yeah. Can't wait to play. That's it.